Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase DJI Mic Mini and you don't know how to do the setup, how to install application of your iPhone or Android phone, and how to connect this DJI Mic Mini to your iPhone and how to record. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. First of all, we just simply download the application and we can see rest of information. At the end, we will see which types of voice we are receiving after connecting this tiny small DJI Mic Mini. So let's check it out. So first of all, I just simply open this box. Pressing this one, box is open. Inside the box we receive two microphones, tiny, strong magnet including, and this is the one receiver. You can connect this one using the cable for your DSLR like this. And another things, if you want connect this one your iPhone, it's very easy. You should connect here C type and connect your iPhone as well, but we have one connector, so it's very easy. So look at this. If I connect this one in my iPhone, look at this, now iPhone is connected. It's very easy. If here two solid light is showing, microphone 1 and microphone 2, just simply put it this one in here. So just only one microphone is connected and one light is showing. It's very easy, so you can very easily understand microphone is connected or not. I just simply open here App Store and type here DJI Memo. So this is the application. You should download this application, DJI Memo. For this application, help to all the DJI Osmo Pocket, GoPro and different devices as well. You just simply download this application and afterwards very easily connect this device to here. Wait couple of seconds to complete this installation. You can charge once this one and use 48 hours. That one is really impressive compared to other microphones. Here the DJI Micro Mini charging case. So application is downloaded. I just simply say allow, agree, join the project, access. So look at this here, authentication is afterwards. Just simply click here and boom, look at this here, my microphone is connected here. Afterwards you can hear safety track, low cut, auto off and auto on off with the camera as well. If you want update, easily connect and update this one. The second important point come here, you can connect this device via Bluetooth as well. So just simply go to the here, how to pairing, it's very easy. Just simply come to the Bluetooth and press this one for 2 seconds, 1 2 and just keep it. So here look at this here, DJI Mic Mini 17 some number is coming. If you connect here, so you can use this device without connector via Bluetooth as well in your mobile phone. It's very easy. So this is the setup. After connecting this one, here the application is showing all the information. Even the noise cancellation option is available. Strong, not basic, strong noise cancellation. It means you are not receiving any kind of noise after you enable this one noise cancellation features. That one is really amazing. Here mono and stereo 2 option is available. Which one you like? I go with stereo. So this is the basic setup. Now we can see which types of voice we are receiving after connecting this mic to my iPhone, and let's see. So final conclude, this is the voice you are receiving. This is the simple unboxing video of DJI Mic Mini, and right now you're receiving the voice of this tiny device. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.